Dude, that shit's cold.
It's not that bad.
I can't find my dick.
I wanted, but I was gonna look back to you, and I was like, nope, he's not gonna cross. Oh, fun.
Oh.
Caught one right here last year. Like 13 inch smallest. Literally right in the still water.
There you go.
I love me some fishing.
That's a decent one, too.
Yeah, that little fucker.
What do we do here, boys?
I think it's a little deep.
Once that sun comes. Seen the Swatcha?
No.
Last weekend I went out. I walked all the way up and back. Good. Yeah. You want? Shit, yeah.
What is that? Is
My
that...
fly's bigger than this fucking big chub.
Dude, you just won it back. See the beaver?
Oh, there really is a beaver.
Yeah, it's dead. I hope.
God,
There you go.
I hit a fucking snag.
Did you?
That one over there?
Hey, right here, right here. So those bugs are hatching, like actually.
Ready? You take, let's see. All those little things, those are all flies that hatch. And look at this. Look at that green worm.
So that's on, boys.
You see that, Dustin? Green worm?
You know, 20-inch one, that fucker's in he's on the nose. It's notorious for giant fucking fish. Little fucker.
There we go.
Got one?
Yep.
Did you?
Yeah. I don't know what. Small little guy.
Holy.
Hey, I
One.
caught a small smallie.
I'll catch a big one for you.
Probably.
No, I didn't make it.
I didn't make it in there either.
No, that was deep on that side though.
Small smallie, Bob.
Small smallie.
Ooh, he's even got a little worm in him.
Has
Yeah.
That's a good color tool.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. There's one. Oh, popped off. Some. See that? You didn't see it?
No, you have one on?
Yeah. Right here. Probably won't bite again. She looks a little deep through here, boys. Well, I'm just gonna let.
Don't move, guys. Don't move. Don't move. That was a nice small one.
Can we cast in there?
Yeah, right down the center here. Try not to move too much. It's not business. We can right up. Oh yeah, nice one. That's a brown trout. No, big sucker. That's one of the biggest chubs I was telling you about. That's a normal size creek chub in here.
Get him.
Well, I'm tired.
You're so
As soon
proud.
as you go to touch it, he's gonna fucking freak. See, that's the nice thing with Oak Creek, though. I mean, this time of year too, and especially when it starts getting more warm, they'll sit in these channels like this. And
There goes that hole.
Oh, no, he's coming back. I'll catch that fish. He's right here.
No, he's not
he's
gonna
over
bite
there.
again.
go,
Gone.
best fish of the day.
The biggest. I got him.
Oh my god.
Kyle, you think your brother would give us a ride back to the cars?
Probably not. Probably still sleeping the fuck.
That's a bass.
That's a little one.
You can tell by the way he's just fucking squirming.
So we got another creek chub, he says.
Alright. You get the nice treatment. Come here.
Really ripped his fucking lip off, you better. Put him right in my pocket. No, just kidding, you fucking don't do it. You still catch it? That's a nice one.
That's a nice falling. That's about the same size as the one that came up after mine.
Oh!
Yeah, baby.
Hey, what color are you using again? Don't let him
Orange.
touch my fucking leg. Oh,
Same.
shit. Hey.
Orange and yellow, baby.
Hey, I got a little orange in this fucking rainbow. How about you bite mine?
Oh, sorry, buddy.
You're good.
Oh,
I-
there's fish out here, boys.
Oh, one just took off over here, too. Stop
You
moving,
know-
Justin. You're scaring them.
Get him. Oh, like I can fucking help it.
Come on, I just want to catch one right next to your fucking leg.
That'd be fucking hilarious.
Fucking engulfing them.
You reeling fast? Am I using the wrong
That's
phone?
nice. That's 14 incher, 13.
Yeah, I wouldn't take a picture. I'd be embarrassed, honestly.
No, you gotta take all the pictures you can. Little fish or not. Hold it up close to the camera.
He wouldn't. My phone's in my bag. He wouldn't take one for me. He said, "You're pussy." So I was like, "Wow." Hey,
There you
double.
go. Keep the. Oh, you
What
lost
the?
him. When you feel that fucker bite, you yank it. Yank it.
Yeah, because they're
Give
going to
her
be
the
going
grapes.
downstream with you.
Yeah. Give her the grapes, and yank up.
Will he
not,
bite again?
Not sideways.
He won't bite
Oh, yeah,
again.
he will. He didn't feel that hook. Told you.
Oh, don't right between my legs, you little bastard.
Kyle,
What's up?
That's the girthy one right there.
isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Doubled up, boy. Who's bigger here? Let's put him next. Yeah, dude, I think I killed yours, honestly. Can I get a picture of this one? Little guy. Here. He's hungry.
Here, let me do one more. I'll do it on the camera roll.
Well, I don't need a picture. I was just fucking around, but. Oh my god, it's gonna touch my goddamn leg.
It cuddles right up next to
Yeah,
it.
for real, boy. Come here, buddy. Good
I
boy.
would say yeah. Justin's fish went right back up into that hole.
Did he?
Yep.
I saw it go like.
I watched it. I watched him swim right back to where he can hook them.
Remember correctly, we want to be on this left side though. Oh, we got one. What do you got?
Smalley.
Looks like a fat one.
You're gonna swim right into my legs, bud?
Some fun to pick up, baby.
Easy. Oh, this one has crawfish in it.
Huh?
Has a crawfish in it.
Yep.
I see your pliers, Justin.
Yep.
That's deep out there between those rock pocket.
Those little fucking minnows right there.
Is it a good one?
A little bit bigger than the other one.
Don't seem too excited about it. You calm down.
He ain't that big.
Yeah, a bad one.
No, it's that one.
I mean, for the you have to look at the size of the crick. It's good for the size of the crick.
Oh, fucking giant, guys.
I don't know. I caught 18 inches out of here.
Hell yeah, bud.
Decent one for the size of the crick.
That's a pretty nice one.
Oh yeah.
A little chunker.
Where'd he go, downstream?
Yeah.
The excitement we need.
I watched him come up and chase it. Woo!
You want me going after him? I will.
Oh, baby!
How you gonna get him? Molly?
Oh yeah. Tank.
No, no.
You go get her.
He about tired. About the size of the one I caught over there, right? Probably bigger. You don't need a picture of that one.
He went right underneath that rock.
Did he?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is this? You have pickerel in here?
Huh?
Pickerel?
Could be. Get it in?
Yeah,
Is it a pickerel?
I think. Is this a pickerel or there's no pike in here, right?
Walleye?
No, it's not walleye.
Oh!
We're hitting all the species today, guys.
Oh, how the fuck did this happen?
Justin.
You stick your fucking fingers deep down that fucker.
No.
You keep that nasty fish away from me. I'm surprised we don't see more sunnies than this. Let me get a picture of it.
Sorry, Justin.
Hey, Austin, can you give me a picture of that?
That thing almost just slapped me in the face.
And my hook just went in the back of your shirt. That could have been a really shitty situation for everyone involved.